Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic of today is nature of waves and their types. Nature of waves and their types. The first topic is wave motion. A wave is a disturbance that moves outward from its point of origin. Transferring energy by means of vibration with a little or no transport of medium. A wave is a disturbance that of some kind that travels or propagates through a medium with transport energy by means of oscillation in the medium. There are two common features to all waves. Number one, a wave is a traveling disturbance. Number two, a wave carries energy from one place to another. For example, take a tub full of water. Move a pencil up and down. At one edge of the tub. Waves are produced on the water surface, which moves away from the point of impact or origin. Pencil. Place a car. Piece of paper. Place a card or piece of paper in the middle of the tub. You can see that as the waves pass through the card, it will move up and down. You can see that as the waves pass through the card or piece of paper, it will move up and down about its mean position. This is called mean position, and the card or piece of paper moves up and down about its mean position. The energy which is spent in moving the pencil up and down reaches the card or piece of paper by means of water waves, due to which it is also moves up and down. Notice that during this process the card or piece of paper not moves with waves. It only moves up and down, which shows that the particle of the matter or water doesn't move forward with waves. Instead, they oscillate about their mean position. Now, there are certain parts of wave. This is called mean position. Or equilibrium position. And the part of the wave above the mean position and the part of the wave above the mean or equilibrium position is called crest. This is called crest. And the part of wave below the equilibrium or mean position is called trough. And the distance between these successive crest or trough is called wavelength, and denoted by lambda, Greek letter lambda. This distance between two successive or consecutive crest or trough is called wavelength.